Snoring is an everyday problem for many people. As much as it is an issue for the person who snores, the person who shares the same bed probably suffers even more. This condition seriously affects the sleep quality and the overall health. In order to solve this issue, many people reach for over-the-counter medicines. However, that's not the best solution. We present you a simple remedy that will stop your snoring forever. Before getting to the remedy, we'll discuss the reasons why this condition happens. Snoring is a result of mucus buildup. The mucus accumulates in the airways and prevents normal breathing. Moreover, snoring can happen because of several other factors, such as asthma, allergies, sinus infection or nasal congestion. What's more, some medicines can cause snoring, or it can simply be a hereditary condition. Another possible reason that is ascribed to snoring is obesity. Therefore, it is recommended to avoid the following foods before bedtime: fried foods, processed foods, dairy products, heavy floury foods, excessive alcohol, chocolate. The remedy which will reduce and prevent snoring is a juice. The method of juicing is often used and very beneficial. The ingredients that are used for this method are raw, natural and unaltered. It is a natural immune booster and a nutrient provider. Moreover, the treatment is simple and easy. It will eliminate the mucus which obstructs the airways and promotes a good night's sleep. Juice recipe against snoring. Ingredients: 2 apples, 2 carrots, 1/4 of a lemon, 1 stick of ginger. Always use organic ingredients. Instructions: simply blend all the ingredients together. You should drink this juice a few hours before going to bed.